The rear extended leg lift targets the glutes. Start on your hands and knees with hands under shoulders and knees under hips. Keep your abdominals engaged and your back flat. Lengthen your right leg and lift to hip height. Make sure not to arch your low back and keep your hips level. Lower the leg to a hover over the floor, keeping the leg long and extended. Repeat as often as you can maintain proper form to a goal of 12 repetitions. Perform 2 sets of this exercise with a 30-second rest period. Repeat on the other side. This is the rear extended leg lift.